In this video, we are going to see about arrays library from OpenZeppelin. So this is the arrays library. So I have imported and I have taken an array, which is a sorted array. So the first method that we are going to see in this is find upper bound. Let's write a function. So the method is find upper bound. So to access the method from the OpenZeppelin package, you have to use it like this: Arrays.findUpperBound, and this takes a array and an element. So the first one you have to pass is array and the element. So how this works is, let's say we pass 1 here, so it will return as 0, and at first position the 1 is. If I put element as 5, so it's gonna go to this array 0 1 2 3 4, it's gonna return 4. And if I put 8, this is going to return 1 2 3 4 5 6 at the 7th position, because 8 is less than 9. It's gonna find the highest position. So this is gonna find the upper bound for a particular number in a sorted array. And if you pass a number which is not present in this, let's say you pass 10, this is going to return the length of the array. So let's see how it works. So let's say we have the function find upper bound, and let's say I try to put 2 here. So 2 is at the second position. Try to find 4. It gives me 4. Or if I try to find 5, it still gives 4. So 5 is upper bound for 4 and also for 5. And if I put 10, this is returning 7. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 is the length of array. So at the 7th position is the upper bound for the number 10. So similarly, we have unsafe access method and unsafe memory access. So these two methods do same thing, except unsafe access uses storage and unsafe memory access uses memory. So if we go into the code, unsafe access, so this is unsafe access and this is unsafe memory access. So this uses storage. So this first calculates the storage slot, so where the storage slot will be available, and gets that slot, gets the value at that particular slot. So in case of unsafe memory access, the array is loaded into the memory and the value at that particular position is taken directly without putting it in the storage. So let's see how these things work. So this is the code. We are using array.unsafeAccess and array.unsafeMemoryAccess. Let's compile and deploy. So here in unsafe access, let's say I want to get element 5. So if I do array of 4, I'm getting 5. And similarly in unsafe memory access, if I want to get element 4, this is going to give the same answer. So depending upon whether we want to use memory or storage, so we have to take the call here.